newer time, right? It was like $9.50.
They said it for 35.
Yeah.
Per person.
It's so small. So it's Olita's birthday brunch. Hey, baby.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the birthday vlog.
Birthday brunch. Look at Jackie. Jackie looked really nice.
Thank you.
My camera really got you looking like
Okay, stop. You're gonna make me blush. Hi, vlog.
Guys, I put lashes on. I look like I'm gonna fly away. This is like my fourth time. This is my fourth time putting lashes on. I want to rip them off because they're poking my eyes. I look like I'm what the fuck? Cinco de Mayo's around the corner. Just saying. Hi, baby. Fuck. Hi. But yeah. So what are we doing for Cinco de Mayo? Okay, so it's Olga's birthday. Wait, I can't vlog. The fucking music. I can't vlog because of the fucking music. But
Why?
we outside. Okay, it's quiet. It's quiet. Yeah.
now.
The thing is that then I won't get paid for it. The person from the music will get paid. It's copyright shit.
And you could get like a strike. Yeah, like copyright.
I never had a YouTube strike.
Yeah.
Let's not start now. Anyway, okay, so we're at brunch and it's lit. We just got here, so it's not lit yet, but it's lit. Let's get it. Oh my bad. I'm looking through my video. My bad. Yeah, good. Like that time. Yeah, good bitch. I put lashes on. Rip them shits right off the car. I'm gonna rip them off right now.
Yeah, she ripped them.
I would say, yeah. Like a whatever. I love you. More life to what? I told you. What are you making another one?
Right here, see on
Because I had like a. When I take pictures, you guys better block me how I'm blocking you. Yeah.
Nobody's really looking at you. Oh my god.
Hi. Alright, so we're all taking pictures.
Oh, we are. Come on.
Ready? Chill, bitch, I'm on my third mimosa, baby.
Mimosa.
$2 mimosas was good.
I know.
Look, I did my lashes.
They look cute. Look, she did her lashes. I know, they look good.
I look like I'm gonna fly away. Watch out. Steak and eggs, is that for me? Baby, is this what I got?
That's not what you got.
That's not what
You got the breakfast.
I know I did.
I gotta say.
Oh, so this is probably yours.
But I ordered my.
So this is yours. Olga, that's yours.
Oh, this is yours.
The food looks rockin'.
Y'all want some hookah?
Appetizers.
Since y'all not eating right now.
Yeah.
Teteo.
She gonna hit the hook.
See you here.
She said shit. She said shit.
Sometimes I can't. This food looks
Do you guys want anything? You want
Yes.
It's in the corner. It's in the corner.
No, it doesn't work. Yes.
This is not my phone.
I'm so glad we got here early.
Yeah.
Bitch, even if he does it, that's a lie. Who the fuck We're gonna sing happy
J Plus is good. J Plus. Yes.
Shorty with the hat.
Usted llama la atención por cualquier parte. Oh, girlie, you look great.
Okay. Okay, mom.
You look great.
Thank you. Yes. I can get this shit.
Bitch, go pee before I start leaking. My boobs are leaking right now. Good Lord, I forgot to pump before I came out.
Oh, how old is your baby?
Oh, 3 months. She's about to turn 3 months. Do you have kids?
Yes, I have one, and I breastfed for 2 years.
Girl, I have 3.
Huh?
I have 3. You 3?
People don't squeeze their titties in the sink no more.
I don't know. I used to squeeze them in people's face, so I don't know.
I love that shit. That's what the fuck I'm talking about.
I did, though.
Milk your titties in the sink. That's the truth.
Do you pump it down, or you just don't give it up?
I pump and feed.
I used to.
They'll be alright. They'll be alright. Listen,
She's 7. She's fine.
there's moms out here who's smoking crack. They'll be alright.
Exactly. She's
First of
fine.
all, y'all gotta stop. Because the crackhead parents be the ones that be president. and you be doing a good job and they be out here
Now,
stripping.
my kids, I have 3 kids. I have a newborn, so she's home breast.
And always be the ones with a diverse background. Like, I grew up in a crack house, now they millionaires.
Yeah, it really do. You gotta go.
It'll never be the regular kids. Which is so
alive. Hey. Good morning. Hold on, you guys, because I just went back. Wait, what? Why am I in this lane? Hold on, y'all, because I'm stupid now. I just went through I just went through a couple of the videos from yesterday, which are most likely going to be in the clips before this. What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? Yo, I had such a good time, man. Oh my god, I hate watching back videos of me partying because I kind of cringe. But damn, we had such a good time last night. So yesterday was Olga's birthday. Today's my dad's birthday. Oh shit, yes, thank you for reminding me, camera. So yesterday was my dad's birthday. Today is my dad's birthday. Yesterday was Olga's birthday. And yo, what am I talking about? We had such a good time, bro. We really, really, really did. It was her birthday. We went out for brunch. And my mom, it's so funny because my mom called me. She was like, hey, it's 6. What time does brunch last until? And she's calling me. She's like, come get the kids. And I'm drunk as fuck. I'm like, mommy, I'm drinking mimosas. Yo, and now I'm watching the videos and I'm just like, I'm watching the videos back and I'm just like, damn, like we were really having a good ass time. I don't even, like, I remember leaving, but I don't remember leaving. If that makes sense. I remember when we were there and it started getting packed, like towards like 7:38, people really started coming. Bro, we had been there since 2. So we were really, really partying. And it was so much fun. Oh my god, I had such a good time. It was lit. It was lit as fuck. I was lit as fuck. But let's talk about that aftermath though. So we went out, right? My whole idea, my plan was to go to Stone Pizza, right? That was my idea. My idea was go to Stone Pizza in New York and we all get high as fuck. But Olga wanted a party, so I was like, alright, whatever, I don't give a fuck. We outside. So we went, right? We had a good ass time. We partied. We really partied and I felt really good. Like I had a really, really good time with my friends. But I've never really been a mimosa person. I'm more of like a shots, you know, like give me some shots. I'm good with the shots. Like give me some shots, you know, I'm chilling. I think my problem was I wasn't drinking water. After I had my last mimosa, I didn't keep drinking. My last mimosa was maybe like around like $3.55 because after 4 they weren't $2 anymore. I don't even know how much the bill was. That bill was probably like $1,000. I don't even know. Perks of going out with your man. Anyway, so why don't I remember? Like I remember, I just like I'm having a hard time remembering certain parts. People kept losing shit. My girl lost her phone and then they found it. Yo, where was I? I was just dancing. Yo, I was just having a good ass time, truthfully. But I'm not a mimosa person, you guys. I'm not. I'm really, 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 really not a mimosa person. I'm more of a shot person. I'm like, you know, give me the shots and I'm good. I'm not into the whole like Henny and cranberry, vodka and bra bra, or you know, what is it, tequila with orange juice, pineapple, all that shit. I don't like that. I'm straight. Like I like the alcohol straight because I don't like the alcohol, period. So if I'm not gonna like it straight, what makes you think I'm gonna like it even more mixed? It's gonna be even worse. Anyway, so I'm more of a shot girl. And yeah, no, those were not shots. Those were straight up death penalties in a glass. Those mimosas were really fucking smacking, bro. They really were. They were. I had like 25 of them. And I was just chugging them. And my girls are chugging them. And they're drunk. But I'm drunk too, so I was chilling. I was like, ah, we all drunk. You drunk, I'm drunk, we all drunk, yay! You know? And then it came to a point where it was like, all right, we're all late. I didn't keep drinking. I don't know if they did, but I fucked up not drinking water. That's where I fucked up. I fucked up because I didn't. My best friend, she's like, the mimosas hit, baby. They fucking did. Hookah. Then I was smoking fucking hookah. Bro, I was smoking hookah. I was smoking hookah. Who the fuck am I? Bro, I don't smoke hookah. Bitch, I got a whole hookah at home. I hit that bitch like once in my life. Bro, I don't even know how to smoke hookah, but it seems like I learned. I think I learned. It's safe to say that I think I learned. And yo, that shit was fucking crazy. Who the fuck am I smoking hookah? The fuck? I was smoking hookah, bitch. Yo, the mimosas fucking hit. The hookah and the mimosas really hit. They fucked me up. It was like, I got home, everybody was still drinking, smoking. Mom set the hookah up in the kitchen. They got 2 pies of pizza, bro. I had like 5 slices. That pizza was what? That pizza was greasy as fuck. I had like 5 slices. That shit was rocking. I ate. Oh, bitch, I even ate the crust. And I always eat the crust, but I meant like I ate every piece of the crust. Bro, that shit really, really fucking smacked. It really did. I was really gone. I laid down. Oh, my mom's here. Hey, mommy. Yeah. Yeah. You guys, I was done. Mami, qué borrachera.
Terrible. ¿Me pagan por favor ya?
Well, Melvin es el que te iba a pagar.
Ok, si me das 50 y Melvin me dan los 100.
Huh?
Sí. Babysitter, organicé, business on business. Le estoy cobrando a él, sí. Porque hasta tuve que ir a llevarle los niños.
Porque eres impaciente.
¿Ah?
She's charging me $150. Ale, like, the headache was so bad, bro. Like, I really felt like, bro, I felt like I was gonna, like, I did drop to the floor, actually. I fell to the floor. Bitch, I threw up. Bitch, when we were, well, this was when I was home, bitch. We got pizza. I had like 5 slices, bro. I kid you not. I threw up every last bit.
God.
Bitch, oh.
Everybody went back to get pizza, or was it you and Melvin?
No, it was everybody. Everybody came to my house.
Oh, shit.
Everybody came to my house, and then we got pizza. And I fucking devoured that shit, bro. I had like half a pie. And, bitch, I was starving. Yo, I had mad pizza, bro. And I threw up all the pizza, bitch. I laid down. I passed out. I woke up at 2 in the morning. And, bro, like, the headache that I had was just unreal. Bitch, that headache, the headache I had, Ale, was, I never felt something like that, bro.
No, I believe it because I never really get headaches. And that,
bitch, yes, I don't get headaches. That's the thing. I never get headaches. You know, people be like, oh, I have such a headache. Bitch, I never get a headache.
Yeah, me either. Not even for my period, I get headaches.
Literally, I never get headaches, bro. And it hurts so bad. Like, when I would throw up, it hurt. When I would cough, bro, my head, I got, for a second, I got a little worried, and I was like, yo, should I go to the hospital? Because this headache is not normal.
Yeah, you probably thought something was happening.
Bitch, yeah, I did. I did think something was happening. Bitch, I thought I was gonna, like, die. No bullshit. I thought something was happening in my brain. Bro, because it hurt that bad.
No, I know how you feel, because my headache was really bad. And then Kiara, too. She ended up getting a headache later on. Because, like, the reason why we left early, too, was because we had to pick up Messiah from her aunt's house, because she was the one taking care of him.
Yeah.
So that we could go out. So that, like, you drink Coke and you drink your drink, like, at the same time. Mm-hmm. So, like, after every time I would drink a mimosa, I would drink Coke because of the caffeine. It kind of lowers your drunkenness.
Oh, the caffeine. Bitch, I didn't even think of that.
Yeah. So that's why I feel like I didn't get like super drunk. Like I was able to like withstand the whole night and like still be fine. I just had a headache at the end. I just feel it.
Yeah, I was dying. I was literally dying. I fucked up not drinking water.
Yeah, same.
I fucked up.
Like 4 bottles of water when I got home. Like literally chugged.
Yeah, bitch, I was chugging bottles of water when I was in bed. I was literally like, I was not feeling my greatest. Yeah, bro, it was really bad. Like I've never had a headache like that in my life, bro. In my life, bitch. I kid you not, I thought I was dying. I kid you not, I thought I was legit dying. The diarrhea, the throw up, the fucking headache, bitch. Everything was just so messy. And we ended up leaving because Melvin got mad because I was dancing.
So it obviously happened like after I left.
Yeah, after you left. We left. What time did you leave?
At 8:30 on the dot.
Bitch, I literally left like 10 minutes later.
At 8:40.
Bitch, yeah. I literally left like 10 minutes later. I started dancing. And I went to like the other side of the table and I was dancing. And Mel was like, come here. And I was like, no. He was like, come here. And I went under the table and I went to him and I was like, what's up? He was like, sit down. I'm like, what? He was like, if you can't dance next to me, then sit down. I was like, no. He was like, put your coat on, we're leaving. I'm like, no. He was like, put your coat on, we're leaving right now. I was like, you're so annoying. Bitch, I sat there mad as hell. We left. Bitch, right after you left, we literally left. I texted everybody. I was like, where you at? They're like, bitch, we're still here. I was like, oh, okay, we're gonna get a bottle. Bitch, we got another bottle.
They got another bottle?
Yes, we got another Casamigos bottle when we went home.
Oh, when you guys went home.
I didn't drink.
Your liquor store was closed.
I don't know. He found a liquor store and he bought it.
Oh my fucking God.
Bitch, yeah. I didn't keep drinking. Bitch, I was smoking hookah.
I know. You got good at it, bitch.
Bitch, how the fuck do I smoke hookah? Bitch, I am convinced I only know how to smoke hookah if I'm drunk.
That's what I used to say in the beginning. That's literally how I started learning hookah. How to smoke hookah when I was drunk. When
Bitch,
I would get like tipsy.
I don't know how to smoke hookah, bitch.
But then I started getting the hang of it. And then that's how I learned when I was drunk.
I don't know how to smoke hookah, bitch. How the fuck do you smoke hookah?
You know how to smoke hookah. You did it. You was already doing it. But now Felipe texted me like after when we were leaving. And I was like, oh my God, like, babe, like, I was like, I miss you. Like, I want you right now. And he was like, where you at? Are you going to your cousin's house? I was like, nah, they're still there. Like, I am not going to my cousin's house right now. He was like, oh, like, if they go to your cousin's house, like, let's go. I said, no, like, I have a headache. I want to go home.
Bitch, yeah, like, we were there for a hot ass minute.
But what about the kids? Weren't the kids there?
The kids were with my mom.
But you said that they were at your house, though.
No, she left. She went to her house, and then she brought me the baby and Amias. And then this morning, I woke up. I got him ready for school. I took him to school. I dropped off the baby. Okay, guys, so we just got to my house. I have a ton of work to do. Yeah. Did you press the button?
No, me. Mama.
Yeah.
I'm me.
I can't believe I have all these kids with me. Oh, yes, and his little Easter basket from school. So cute, my baby.
I see.
No, you have to hold it. Tú tienes.
Oh, tengo nine.
No, tenla tú, okay?
Very cute.